You may have heard that the Andromeda galaxy is hurtling toward our Milky Way, but the truth is far more astounding. The colossal collision, predicted to occur in a few billion years, has in fact already begun. Scientists have discovered that the massive halos of Andromeda and the Milky Way, two largest galaxies in the local group, have started interacting. Not only that, but stars from Andromeda are infiltrating the Milky Way's space, marking the beginning of one of the most spectacular cosmic events in our galaxy's history. Andromeda and the Milky Way are the two main players in the local group, a collection of about 80 galaxies shaped like a cosmic dumbbell. One end is Andromeda and its satellite galaxies, while the other end is the Milky Way and its smaller companions. Between these two clusters of galaxies lies a seemingly vast gap of 205 million light-years. Yet, thanks to powerful gravitational forces, Andromeda is racing toward the Milky Way at an astounding velocity of 123 kilometers per second, or approximately 76 miles per second. This raises a thought-provoking question. In an ever-expanding universe where most galaxies are drifting away from us, how can Andromeda and the Milky Way move closer together? The answer lies in the gravitational pull between these massive galaxies, strong enough to overcome the expansion of space over short distances. This showcases how gravity not only shapes planets and star systems, but also writes the long-term narrative of entire galaxies. When we think of collisions, the term often conjures images of speed and instant destruction, like two cars crashing. But on the galactic scale, time slows dramatically. Galactic collisions do not occur in an instant, but unfold over hundreds of millions or even billions of years. This gives a profound perspective on the scale and pace of the universe, where a single moment for us is but a fleeting blink in the galaxy's eternal histories. A vivid example of the slow yet dramatic nature of galactic collisions is the Antennae galaxies, located 70 million light-years away. Their shape is sculpted by tidal forces during their collision, stretching out streams of stars, dust, and gas that resemble antennae. Scientists estimate that the merger of these two galaxies has been ongoing for at least 100 million years, a vivid illustration of how the universe crafts masterpieces from chaos. The first sign of the collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way comes from the interaction of their halos. A halo is a massive envelope of gas surrounding a galaxy, containing both visible matter and dark matter. Using the Hubble Space Telescope, scientists observed the light from quasars, extremely bright sources of light from distant galaxies, to map Andromeda's halo. The results revealed that this halo extends up to 1.3 million light-years toward us, nearly reaching halfway between Andromeda and the Milky Way. This is undeniable evidence that the cosmic collision has officially begun. Another sign that the two galaxies have started interacting is the presence of hypervelocity stars. These stars travel at astonishing speeds of around 1,000 kilometers per second, fast enough to escape the gravitational pull of their parent galaxy and traverse intergalactic space. Some scientists believe that a fraction of these stars may have originated from Andromeda, acting as the first ambassadors of our neighboring galaxy to the Milky Way. How these hypervelocity stars achieve such incredible speeds is itself a fascinating story. One theory suggests they are ejected from binary star systems when their companion star undergoes a supernova. Another hypothesis posits that they are accelerated by the supermassive black hole at the center of a galaxy. Imagine a binary star system where two stars orbit each other in a perfect cosmic dance. When this pair ventures too close to a black hole, one star is captured while the other is flung outward at extraordinary speeds. These hypervelocity stars stand as vivid evidence of the immense forces shaping the universe. However, searching for hypervelocity stars among the 400 billion stars in the Milky Way is already a daunting task, and identifying those originating from Andromeda is like searching for a needle in a massive haystack. To tackle this challenge, scientists have run complex simulations to study how gravitational forces and dark matter shape the trajectories of hypervelocity stars. They constructed two scenarios, one in which the Milky Way and Andromeda have equal mass, and another where the Milky Way has only half the mass of Andromeda. These scenarios provided insights into how stars are affected as the two galaxies approach each other. Based on the simulations, some hypervelocity stars from Andromeda are indeed capable of traveling to the Milky Way, but not all maintain their original speeds. Some stars slow down under the Milky Way's gravitational pull, with some even being captured and assimilated into its orbit. When scientists mapped the positions of these hypervelocity stars, they found that they cluster near the Milky Way's center in both scenarios. Intriguingly, the scenario where the Milky Way has equal mass to Andromeda showed a higher number of captured hypervelocity stars, highlighting the strong role of gravity in retaining these cosmic travelers. This research was further corroborated with real-world data from the European Space Agency's Gaia mission, which maps stars across the galaxy. Comparisons between the simulations and actual data revealed an astonishing match, supporting the notion that the Milky Way and Andromeda are not only heading toward a collision, but have also begun exchanging stars. The number of hypervelocity stars from Andromeda is estimated to range from 12 to nearly 4,000, depending on assumptions about galactic masses. Although this number is small compared to the total number of stars in the Milky Way, its significance is immense. It demonstrates that cosmic fragments can traverse intergalactic distances and integrate into new environments, weaving extraordinary tales of migration between galaxies. Beyond hypervelocity stars, the halos of the two galaxies provide further evidence of the ongoing collision. A halo is a vast region of gas and dark matter surrounding galaxies, acting as the first frontier of their cosmic encounter. By observing light from quasars located behind Andromeda's halo, scientists mapped this area in detail. Data from the Hubble Space Telescope revealed that Andromeda's halo stretches 1.3 million light-years toward us, nearly touching the Milky Way's halo. The future of this collision has also been charted with remarkable detail by scientists. In approximately 3.75 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will have their first close encounter. This process won't be a simple meeting. It will ignite intense bursts of star formation, illuminating the skies with light from newly born stars. This initial approach won't result in an immediate merger, but will serve as the beginning of a complex series of events lasting billions of years. After the first encounter, the galaxies will be pushed apart by their own momentum, but gravity will eventually pull them back together. The second approach, around 5 billion years from now, will be even more dramatic, involving strong interactions between the galactic cores. The supermassive black holes at the centers of the two galaxies will begin a spiral dance, ultimately merging into a colossal supermassive black hole. The complete merger of Andromeda and the Milky Way is expected to occur about 7 billion years from now, when the two galaxies will unite to form a massive elliptical galaxy. This raises a fascinating question. With all the chaos and movement, will our solar system be affected? Will Earth, if it still exists, witness this grand event, or will it be flung into a distant region of space? The story of the collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way is not just a lesson in gravity and galactic evolution, but also an inspiring reminder of the scale and wonder of the universe. Amidst all the chaos, the cosmos is crafting a magnificent new chapter in its unending narrative.